Battling with cough? Battling a cough can be exhausting, whether it's productive or a wet cough. But finding the right solution that works effectively without side effects, that's where cocoa cough syrup comes in. Why choose cocoa? Because this syrup is alcohol free, so no risk of drowsiness. Perfect for both kids and adults. It has no added colors or artificial flavors, ensuring a pure and natural formulation. Powerful ingredient. What makes cocoa unique are its natural, fast-acting ingredients. Bharang Mool and Pushkar Mool reduces nasal secretion and relieve congestion. With their antitussive and antihistaminic properties, Kantakari act as an expectorant and mucolytic thinning mucus and easing its expulsion. Vishwa Bhesaj offers a decongestant effect, clearing nasal passages for better breathing. Yashti Madhu soothes the throat and relieving soreness and discomfort. Convenient and safe packaging. Its spill-proof plastic screw cap prevent messes. Easy to open design, no more struggling with outdated tin caps. So from now, choose Coco and say goodbye to cough troubles. To order, visit www.zoeticayurvedics.com or check the link in Zoetic Ayurvedics Instagram bio.